Wow, my bangs look so beautiful. And by the way, this is my 4th or 5th intro because uncle khade hue hain. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nishita and happy Valentine's Day of week. अब शव का सीजन चल रहा है, so for all of those who are mingles, then please celebrate with your loved ones and celebrate your compassion and compatibility, everything. And for all of those who are singles, प्लीज़ सेल्फ लव दो, खूब सारा खाओ, खूब सारा नेटफ्लिक्स बिंज करो, मज़े करो यार. कोई टेंशन नहीं है, अपन लोग काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो नहीं है, सो वी आर वेरी फ्री. Today's video idea has to be some of my point which I have collected to tell you guys some outfit ideas, how you can dress up and be tip top on your special day. So without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. So first point has to be the choice of fabric. I will give you 5 to 6 points and this will keep on happening, so let's not distract our mind. Anyway, so first point is choice of fabric. Instead of going for your basic fabrics which are georgette, cotton, we should switch to satin, which is very ideal fabric for special occasions, and it is a very soft material, looks put together. Just you need not to do much on it, just style it with basic things and little accessories, not much, and you are good to go. There is something special about satin, how it makes you feel, how it makes you look. So switching to satin is a nice option instead of your basic cotton or georgette top. That is my first point. Now my second point is highlighting one area. To choose one body part of yourself and highlight. Maybe the part in which you are very confident about. Maybe your neck area must be very beautiful, your eyes, your lips, or maybe your legs also. I'm not talking about tange dikhao or cleavage basically. I'm talking about any body part in which you feel confident, you know, that it is very beautiful. So appreciate your body anyway. Maybe by wearing one slit dress which has slight slit and halki si thigh area dikh rahi hai. Or if you want to highlight the neck, I feel neck is the most beautiful part of any woman's body. So just by wearing one small piece of pendant, and it should just draw the attention towards your neck. It should not eat the attention, it should draw the attention. Two different things. And instead of wearing any golden or silver accessory, I will prefer wearing some pearl, which again gives the romantic vibe and lovey-dovey vibe. So yeah, you can do that as well. Wear anything small if you are focusing to highlight your neck, and if you want to highlight your arms, then you can wear again some nice, less is more, so a bracelet you can wear. Also, if you want to highlight your legs, just use coconut oil and mix some highlighter into it and just polish. हो गई हमारी body polishing, बहुत ही सस्ती. Just focus on highlighting one part of your body instead of, okay? So I tried to make my hair wavy, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है यार. कोई बात नहीं. Better luck next time. Okay, now my third point, which is the most important point. Now you are going on a Valentine date and kuch na kuch to will happen. Something very, 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 very special will happen. So don't forget to conceal your lipstick through face powder or maybe any powder. Normal Pond's wala powder, talcum powder will also work. Just put a nice napkin around your lips and dab it so that while you are doing, your lips are kissable. Wow, what a term. Maybe you are using kiss proof lipstick or whatever, make sure to conceal your lips. While we are talking about some grooming tips, so I will also like to give you one very personal advice, that instead of going for perfumes, prefer bathing with body shower. Maybe Lux wala, I love Lux ka purple wala, I don't know what the name is. And right now I'm using Coco Soul one and it smells amazing. You go closer, being intimate with any other person, hugging, whatever, it just gives a very nice effect and fragrance. Switch bathing through body wash और मेरे तरह बिल्कुल मत बनना जो एक हफ्ते तक नहीं नहाता है. So don't be like me. Please नहा लेना. The only difference which I feel between perfume and body washes, I think that body wash की smell stays a little longer than perfumes. So yeah, body wash will always be my choice. The next tip has to be when nothing goes right, switch to a quad set or monochrome look. Matlab for all you girls out there who have the same problem like me, that you have nothing to wear. So nice दिक्कतें we have. So switch to monochrome look. अगर quad set भी नहीं है तो switch to monochrome look. It will save a lot of time and you need not to put a lot of brain in deciding what to wear and what not to mix and match. So prefer wearing quad set or maybe monochrome look if you are not having anything in quad. Like basics though we have in wardrobe like white or black. Accessorize it. Again, less is more, always remember. So maybe with a delicate piece, not going too much on board. So yeah, also if you are preferring to wear heels, please prefer to wear heels if you are comfortable. If you are not comfortable, the whole thing is to have fun, okay? So don't do कुछ भी गड़बड़ with wearing heels and then you are uncomfortable. Switch to boots man, या फिर blog heels. Simple. Last but not the least, and this is very important tip which I want to share, that please give compliments, okay? There is something about giving compliments which makes you feel more confident, makes you look more confident, and it just shows that you are so contented within yourself that you appreciate other people's presence. You know, जितनी बार लड़के ब्राउन मुंडे पे स्नैप बनाते हैं उतनी बार अगर कॉम्प्लीमेंट करोगे तो it just uplifts your personality man, polishes your personalities. So give compliments, and the people who are on the other side of the table who receive compliment, don't contradict it man. Don't say oh, no, just say thank you with a smile in your eyes and of course on your face. So please say thank you confidently. It just makes things very positive, I feel, and happy vibes should flow on your special occasion. Also, the dress which I am wearing is satin only, so I purchased it from an Instagram store which is La Chic Peak. I don't know how it is pronounced. I purchased it for 550 and currently they are having discount thing. So ये dress 450 की मिल रही है, which is a steal deal. So go and grab it. Also on their websites they are having 20 rupees ki scrunchies which are very 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 cute. So you can also look at that, check their websites out. I will link it in the description box. Wear satin. This gives the romantic vibe, and I don't know Hawa is also giving me the romantic vibe, and I don't have any romance in my life, just trust me. Also I want to mention that include something in red. Red is the color of love, so it just has some very nice vibrant vibes. You can just wear red lipstick on that day, if not the whole outfit, because it doesn't go with everyone's skin tone. So yeah, prefer wearing maybe red lipstick, and it is not mandatory, just giving that hint. I really hope that these tips will be useful when you are dressing up to go for a date. So that was it for my video. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give compliments to your loved ones. No matter you are celebrating it with your friends, no matter you are celebrating it alone, just give compliments to yourself as well, and appreciate people who are by your side, who always stand by your side. Ab nahi to kab. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, whatever you want. And thank you so much for watching.